we installed some electric storage heaters. They're very cumbersome, they weren't very heat efficient. The heat that they gave out during the day that they should have done, they never did. We started thinking about getting a proper central heating system in. I'm not a lover of gas. Every member of my family has gas central heating, and every year they have problems with their gas boiler. We started seeing these new type of heaters coming over. I did check quite a few others from countrywide, but North West Heating Solutions appear to be one of the best services, and all the reviews on there were bob on for us. With it being North West based, I knew you were quite close. Made an appointment, Ian came round and went through everything in every detail, put our minds completely at ease about the installation. We picked out the heaters, he showed me the range of colours, which was amazing because I could have had every colour to match my colour scheme, but showed us how quickly they heated up. We said, right, this is what we want to have. On the day of installation, no mess. We've not even had to decorate. They installed everything in less than a day, tested all the electrics. We've got a 25-year guarantee. Having you as a Which Trusted Trader was something else to back up our decision. It was on Economy 7 and I rang Sam up and you gave me some really, really good advice. I've had a lot more heat in the house. My bills have actually dropped. When we're sat in here, it's an all-round heat rather than just a direct heat here. You've got it's not freezing cold in the winter, which is a first for us. I was always scared of the process, but everything from start to finish, completely at ease. It was just a seamless process and I'm 100% happy with them. If anybody is thinking about having a new heating system put into their house, I would definitely recommend North West Heating Solutions.
Request your free information pack now on our website by following the link below, or request your free survey by calling us on 01244 371 445.